Hey, this is Jason with PTCI. We're going to show you a little bit about Sling TV. We're in the My TV tab, and here's some of the things that you can do in it. First, on the first line, it has My Channels, and that's where it's going to show the content that is on your favorite channels. You can also edit your favorite channels there. If we click here, you can simply add by clicking the OK. You'll see the check mark that appeared above that. I can also take it off that simply too. Now it's removed. Like if I wanted to add AMC, I just simply get on it, highlight it, and then click the OK button, and you'll see the little green check mark on it. So that will be added to my favorite channels now. Push the back button, and then it will be in the My Channels area on this line. Below that, you have your recordings, so you can look it up by show here. You can also come here and view all of the recordings that you have. Okay? They've got different ways you can do that: alphabetical, last recorded, unwatched, and scheduled. Below that, these are shows that you can continue to watch. If you've started a movie or started a show and then paused it, you can go back and resume. It also has a list of recommended for you, and then things that are trending live, and other categories as well below. And that is the My TV tab on Sling TV.